Hello friends, welcome to Power BI Split Column by Delimiter. In this video, we will explore the split column by delimiter in Power BI, focusing specifically on the leftmost delimiter. I will use infographics to simplify the concept and make it easy to understand. So let's dive in. What is split column by delimiter? Here we have a snapshot from our Power Query ribbon where we have the split column option. In the drop down of the split column option, we have several other options where we have the first to be by delimiter. Split column by delimiter is a feature in Power Query that helps you break a single column into multiple columns based on a specific separator, delimiter. A delimiter is a character or sequence of characters used to separate distinct elements or fields within a data string, text, or file. Common examples of delimiters. Comma. The comma is often used in CSV files to separate values. For examples, we have John Doe, 30, and New York, all separated with a comma. Then we also have the space delimiter, which is sometimes used to separate words or values. For example, John Doe 30 New York, all spaced. We have the semicolon, and then we have the pipe, and also we have the colon, used in some data format as well. For example, John Doe 30 New York are all separated with a colon. Now here it's a valid point to keep in mind that a string or set of values can contain multiple delimiters, which can be sequentially numbered based on their occurrence. Before we dive into an infographic display of the split column by delimiter, let's first understand the concept. This is a date column in days, months, and year. 1st August 2024. Now, this date column has two delimiters. Let's differentiate them using different colors. For the first delimiter, a red slash is at the leftmost position, while the second delimiter, a blue slash, is at the rightmost position. Now that we have identified the sequential position of our delimiter, let's bring in our date column to observe this transformation. Here we have our date column, and this date column consists of 10 rows, which will be split at the leftmost delimiter. Before we split, here is a snapshot from the Power BI showing where to select your split option based on the delimiter. Now let us split this date column at the leftmost delimiter. Now you can see that the original column has been split into two. The first column contains the day of the date, while the second column holds the months and the year together. The split happened at the first slash, which acted as the leftmost delimiter. This is useful for organizing date values, making it easier to extract specific components for analysis, filtering, or sorting. For example, you might need to separate dates when working with time-based trends, sorting transactions by day, or preparing data for further transformations. You can also use this technique when cleaning names, like separating first and last names, breaking down product codes, extracting key details from text, and more. Thank you so much from Facom Analytics, and as always, do like and subscribe for more data content like this.